Deleting your WhatsApp account is a fairly straightforward process. Just bear in mind that it is permanent. You will no longer be able to recover your account once it's gone. The other thing to bear in mind is that whilst deleting your account will remove all your chat history from your phone, it does not remove anything from the devices of the people you are chatting to. Even though your account no longer exists, they will still be able to access your chat sessions and any images or videos that were sent between you. To delete your account, click on the settings icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. It might not be necessary, but you can delete your chat history separately by selecting chats and clicking delete all chats. You are asked to provide your phone number for confirmation. To delete your account, click on Account in Settings and choose Delete My Account. Again, you are asked to provide your phone number, and as I was saying before, in the details is confirmation that your message history is only removed from the phone you are using. Having entered your number, you can opt to provide a reason for leaving, and then you have one final confirmation button to click to delete your account. The app will reset back to the startup screen, and if you wish, you can delete the app from your phone simply by pressing the app for a few seconds or two and choosing Remove App from the menu. Your WhatsApp contacts are not notified that you have deleted your account. You can see in my WhatsApp account on my phone that I do not receive any notification that Wilson has deleted his account. I can still access our chat history, and if I send Wilson a message, it simply doesn't get delivered. However, if I try and call Wilson, the call fails to connect, and I do receive a message saying that the call couldn't be placed because the number is no longer registered with WhatsApp. So that is how you delete your WhatsApp account. If you found the video useful, I'd appreciate you hitting the like button and hit subscribe for lots more videos like this one. Until next time, thank you very much for watching.